Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. For today's video, I'm going to be making some all-natural homemade beauty products. I'm going to be doing a hair mask, a peel-off face mask, and a lip scrub. I have done a body scrub video before, so I'll leave a link in the description box for that and pop it up in the eyes. Maybe you can cue it up for later. And I've done face masks, not on camera, but I've done a homemade face mask with banana and oats, and I think that they turn out really well. Your skin definitely feels amazing afterwards. But I've never tried a peel-off face mask, so I'm very curious to see how this is going to turn out. I really hope that it works. So I'm going to start off with the hair mask, and for that you're going to need one banana. And I know banana can be quite a nightmare to get out of your hair. So that's why I've got a blender with me this time, because I feel like if I blend it really fine, it's going to be a lot easier in the end to get out of my hair, because I have tried masks before and I've just mashed it up with a fork, and I think that was a bad idea. So I'm actually just going to put this straight into the blender. So there's one banana. With the banana, I'm going to add a half a tablespoon of vitamin E oil. This is so good for your hair. I will, in the description box, leave information below to let you know what all the ingredients do to benefit your hair or your face or your lips to make it a lot easier, so you can see if it's the right fit for you. You need a half a tablespoon of olive oil, and 1 tablespoon of natural plain yogurt. Then I'm going to blend this up really well so that I don't have any pieces of banana that I'm going to struggle to get out of my hair at a later stage. All done and blended. I must say it looks a lot better than when I use a fork and do it. So I'm just going to open it up and apply it all over my hair and leave it on for, looks quite good. It smells so good. Oh my gosh, that smells like a smoothie. I suppose if you think about it, I mean, it's, okay, apart from the vitamin E oil, the rest is edible. So well, I suppose, do you get vitamin E tablets? I'm not going to try eat it, but it smells so good. Already I can see there isn't like bits of banana, so that's a good sign. Feels quite good. It feels kind of like thick in a way. So I feel like it's going to do a really great job. There's definitely like no pieces of banana, which is awesome. It's like so smooth. It's like all squishy, but it smells amazing. I'm gonna get a towel before I get this all over me. Got a towel, much better, because it was starting to go onto my back. I must say this ticks all boxes. It smells good, it feels good. I feel like it's really going to nourish my hair and scalp. And it was the perfect amount for my hair. That. I'm just gonna see what else I can grab out of here. But there's like no wastage, which I love. I don't like making homemade products and then keeping it in the fridge. I love it when I make the exact amount. It's perfect. There we go. I'm just going to clip it up so it doesn't make a giant mess. But oh, it feels weird. Just not used to it. We leave that on for 10 to 15 minutes, and in the meantime I'm going to make the face mask, which I'm very excited about. I hope it works. Before I go into the face mask though, I'm just thinking maybe I should just brush this through, if it's possible at all. Yeah, that's working. Because that way it can get between every single strand of my hair. Okay, now time for the face mask. I'm so excited about this one. Now that I have my hair mask on and it's sitting in for 10 to 15 minutes, I'm going to get started on the face mask. For that, I'm going to need a bowl, obviously. 1 tablespoon of gelatine. I've got 2 different types of gelatine. I got this powdered gelatine and I got this one. I love this, it looks so awesome. But I've used this in the past when I was baking, and I find that it's actually quite difficult to work with. Powdered gelatine is going to be a lot quicker, but it's just too pretty. I love the way it looks. I just love the pattern. So we're gonna need 1 tablespoon of gelatin, which is pretty much this whole packet. There we go, sorted. 2 tablespoons of warm milk. You're just going to want to mix that in. To that, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of honey. I must say it's starting to look like a face mask. Kind of runny though, but getting there. Next, you're going to add in some lemon juice. I'm going to go with about half a tablespoon because it didn't say exactly how much. And then lastly, you need a tablespoon of vitamin E oil. This is looking so good, and once again, smelling amazing. So let's go apply this, and once it's ready and dry, we can peel it off. Well, hopefully we can peel it off. I'm hoping this is gonna work. I think it will. Between the gelatin and the sticky honey, it should work. Let's go see. So the face mask is ready, and I can't wait to try it because I really want to know if it's going to peel off or not. But I do have some foundation and powder on, so I'm going to first take that off. And for that, I'm going to be using this Johnson's Face Care facial wash. I really love this one. It's an oil control facial wash, and it works so well. I've never broken out with it. I've been using it for years now. It's grapefruit and lemongrass extracts. Smells incredible. It's so refreshing, and I just love the packaging as well. It matches my shower thingy in the back. So I'm just going to be taking that off quickly, and then we can try the face mask. Oh, I got some banana hair face mask in my ear. There you go. All clean. Now that all my face makeup is off, apart from my eyes, I'm going to, ooh, look at that. It's already like, that's what the spoon was. When I lifted the spoon, so it's actually getting really sticky. I think this is definitely gonna work. I need to move fast. Okay, so I've got a makeup brush. It's definitely setting. Oh my gosh, it's gonna work. Well, a little messy, but I definitely feel like it's going to work. I wonder if I didn't stir the gelatin in completely, because I feel like there's bits of gelatin on my face. Oh well. Or maybe I must just like massage it in with my hands. Oh, the honey smells so good. And the best part about doing a hair mask and face mask at the same time is if I get some in my hair like I am right now, it doesn't matter because I'm just going to wash it all off anyway. I must say that my hair, my skin, everything feels so good right now. Like, I've been needing like a pamper day like this for a while. Yeah, I'm just gonna like go in and try and mush it a bit. What could have happened is the milk wasn't hot enough to like really mix the gelatin in. I'm definitely feeling bits of gelatin. Oh my gosh, I look crazy. Okay, all done. I have quite a lot of mixture left over, so that I could easily make another 2, maybe 3 face masks, depending on how thick you apply it. Everything just smells so good. Yeah. Not looking bad. Okay, let's move on to the lip scrub. Okay, it's official. Every time I sit back down here, I'm just looking crazier and crazier. But that's fine. It feels so good. So, next thing is the lip scrub. So for that, we're going to need 1 tablespoon of cocoa, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, brown sugar is perfect for exfoliation because white sugar can be a bit rough on your skin, so I really feel that brown sugar is much better when it comes to exfoliating. Okay, so once that's mixed in and it already smells good, and I can already see we are going to have a lot. Maybe I should have halved the mixture, but anyway. Next thing, I'm going to add in 3/4 teaspoon of honey. and then 2 teaspoons of olive oil. And we're just going to mix it all together. You know, in the beginning, I was really wondering how well this is going to mix together because there's so much dry ingredients compared to the wet ingredients, but it came together lovely. Look at that. So let's go test this out. So here's the lip scrub. It looks so good. It smells so good. And I must say it came out way better than I expected, especially when there was so much dry ingredients. I did not expect it to look this good. This is like, wow, I love it. Okay, so it says you must take it and rub it around your lips. Ooh, it's getting quite dry. You need to rub it around your lips in a circular motion for 2 to 3 minutes. This is getting messy. This is definitely the messiest video I've ever filmed on this channel. You know, this feels really good though. I feel like I'm not going to store this leftovers. When I'm in the shower rinsing my hair, I'm just going to rub this on my legs. Okay, it's been about 2 minutes now. I'm going to rinse my hands and get this off my lips. Hold on. This face mask is not getting as hard as I would have liked it to. I don't see it becoming a peel-off mask. Or actually, yeah, it's still a bit wet, but okay, there is a lot there, so it's going to take a little bit of time. Maybe I'll be able to peel it off after all. I'm going to give it another 5 minutes and check back. So it hasn't been 5 minutes yet to peel off my face mask, but as I turned off the camera, I just felt my lips and I realized I didn't mention that they feel so incredibly soft. It looks good, it looks nourished, and it feels so smooth. So I definitely highly recommend that lip scrub. Okay, it's been more than 15 minutes now. I gave it a little bit more time so that it could dry. It's definitely dry to the touch, so I feel like it should peel off. It feels like, you know, a peel-off face mask should. It's definitely sticky, but it's not how I want a peel-off mask to come off, you know? It's supposed to come off like a sheet. I think I'm gonna have to wash this off in the shower because, oh wait, there we go. I managed to peel off a little bit. It's so sticky. Ow, okay, that was stuck on there. It's just making my hand all sticky, but it's not coming off how I expected it. Now, this is going nowhere slowly. I'm gonna have to wash this off in the shower. It's time to get the hair mask out of my hair anyway, so just do it one time. So I just got out the shower and I thought I would get dressed quickly and film a little review or outro for you. And I must say, let's start with the bad and work our way to the good. So 2 out of the 3 products I feel worked really well. There was just that one that wasn't quite there, and that was the peel-off face mask. I mean, it smells amazing. My skin feels so soft and smooth. It did a really great job, but it just didn't peel off as I would have wanted it to. But it was so easy to get off in the shower. I just took a warm face cloth, hold it on my cheeks and around, and just gently wiped off. There was no ripping or tugging or anything bad like that. But onto the good. The hair mask, I must say, is my favorite because the banana really blended so well. You can see there's no banana pieces in my hair, which when I tried a face mask before that needed banana, I really struggled to get the banana out of my hair, and that just put me off banana in a face mask, in a hair mask. That just put me off banana in a hair mask forever. But thought I'd give it one more try, and I'm happy I did. So my hair feels soft, it smells good. It's just incredible. I love that it's got a nice shine to it, and yeah, I'll definitely be using this one again. The lip scrub I'll definitely make again as well. Oh, actually I still got quite a bit left over. I forgot to use it on my legs when I was in the shower, but I'll use it next time. And my lips feel so soft. It's really incredible. I would definitely highly recommend the hair mask and the lip scrub. I'll definitely work on the face mask and leave a recipe down below in the description box, one that I've tried and tested, but I feel like this one just wasn't there. You know, it wasn't exactly what I had in mind. But it's okay, it was still fun to test out, and there's no other way to know apart from just trying it out yourself. So There we go. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed it. I feel so good right now. I feel so pampered. I'll see you real soon with a new video. Bye.